What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Today, guys, on the agenda, we're going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end. We are going to do our market recap. I took 2 trades last week, 100% win rate. I'm going to talk to you about the fibs and get you ready for the week coming, okay? So this is going to be, I think, number 46 for lifetime Discord giveaways. What do you guys think? Should we do 100 lifetime Discord giveaways? Hit me with a 1 if you think so. All right, so I'm planning on doing maybe 100 by the end of the year, and I'm also going to do $500 cash money. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like, and make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end, okay? So I'm in a new setup right now. Hit me with a 4 if everything is clear, everything is smooth, okay? New setup right now, and I just want to make sure you guys can hear me and you guys can see everything, all right? Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the this trade we took on ES over here, okay? And I thought I had a screenshot somewhere. Hold on a second. Thought I had a screenshot that I saved somewhere. Okay, yes, I do. All right, let me swap over to my other chart, and I have the screenshots ready right here. Okay, so I'm just going to type in MES. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. All right. So let's go to the beginning of the week, which was, so this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So I'm on the 4-hour chart, guys, by the way. Monday and then Sunday. Okay. So I'm going to hit the replay here. And what I want to do is I want to walk you through how I was able to get a really great entry using the 618. So you can see it right here. This is from the Discord. We got filled at 56.3250, 32.25, sorry. And I'm going to walk you through why we did that. Okay. I'm just going to go here and I'm going to delete that and I'm going to walk through it now. So this is where the market opens last week. Boom. Okay. So we start to consolidate and we start to push higher. All right. So during all of this, I'm not looking to enter anything because I'm not getting a deal. All right. I'm not going to buy when the market is up here at all-time highs. Hit me with the 2 if you see what I'm saying. Okay. There's no reason for me to buy when the market is all-time highs. However, if the market pulls back, that's when I want to get in because that's going to give me the best risk to reward. That's going to make me the most possible money. So we continue. Okay. So we're continuing through the week. Okay. Let me just keep fast forwarding it here. And then this right here, guys, this breakout is right around Wednesday. All right. And a lot of people in this move right here, guys, started to heavily buy in this area. Okay. And then we continued. Boom. New all-time highs. Again, people started to buy. But if you want to maximize your risk to reward, if you want to maximize your profits, you have to be able to get a good deal. Okay. So this is when we had this Fibonacci drawn up. This is last Friday's low. This is the new all-time high, which is up here. Okay. So we can clearly see here, we have a direction. Okay. And now what I'm doing is I'm just waiting for the 618 right here in order to enter the trade. Because I know if I enter on the 618, that's a 62% pullback. So patience, boom. Okay. Right here, this candle on Thursday is about a 75-point drop. This candle on Thursday is single-handedly responsible for at least, 40% of retail blowing up their account. Give me with the 3 if you understand what I'm saying. Because everybody is trapped buying new all-time highs. But for me, and what I'm trying to teach you guys, is if you want the best possible deal, you have to wait for the pullback. So this 618 lined up, okay? We had a beautiful, get my rectangle out. We had a beautiful fair value gap right in this area. And we also had this previous resistance now turned support. So we went long right here. Okay, so let me hop into the Discord, show you guys this. All right. So here we go. So this was our fill, just got filled. Okay, so that's our fill. So just want to make sure you guys see, we call this out live in Discord. Okay, and we also did the screen share on this. So here we go. Here's our fill. Our max risk is down here at last Friday's low. And then from there, boom, a little bit of pausing, a little bit of consolidation, and then we got that trap candle and the rip. Okay. So right there, guys, I was up right around $1,700. Okay. And right there, that's enough. Okay, because if you look at this risk on this trade, let's go ahead and let's get the long to low. The real risk on this trade was roughly 10-ish points. Okay, 10-ish points. And the upside from the 618, about 70 points. That's a 7-to-1 risk reward right there. Okay, because once this candle came in right here, easily can tighten up your stop loss below that low. That's the real risk on the trade. But for me, you guys know I'm a home run trader. Okay, home run means I play for huge, massive targets. So what I did is I got my stop loss to break even, and then we pulled back right into the close, and now we are consolidating and threatening to push back into new all-time highs. Okay, so that was the one trade for futures that I waited all week long to get. And everyone in the Discord caught that and was banging and hitting it. Hit me with the 8 if you were a part of that. Okay. But what I'm trying to teach you guys here is you're not going to always get a trade every single day. You got to be quality over quantity needs to be your focus. All right. And that's why I waited all week for that pullback and finally got it. And it was a great successful trade. So just to summarize, no trades until Thursday, sniper mentality, hunting deals, very minimal heat, right? There's about 10 points heat. If you're scalping, guys, if that's your style, when you're playing the 618 and you get a good 618, guys, if it touches it like this right here, you can see even right here, when it touched it the first time, let's go to the hourly chart. When it touched the 618 the first time, this is the first touch right here. The risk on that, on the first touch, 3 points to make 15. That's a 5-to-1. Hit me with 11 if you see that. Okay. So what I'm trying to teach you here is when you get a good 618 fib, it just rockets. Okay. And then the next question you guys are going to ask is, Rich, but what about stocks? Can this work on stocks? So let's go into stocks right now. Microsoft. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead here. Microsoft. All right. So Microsoft. So I'm just going to fast forward to Thursday. So this was our setup from Discord. Okay, so let me just go ahead here. So Trading Wars, Fibonacci, Dragon, long setup, Microsoft. Okay, golden zone entry 451.61. Okay, so I gotta fix my anchor right there. Okay, so 451.61, stop loss 441.26, options 1 strike out the money. Okay, so let me just fix my anchors for you guys here. 1 second. So the high is 468.35. So let me just double click. So the easy way to do that, guys, you just type it in like this, 468.35. And then my low, let me just make sure 441.26. Okay, I just want to make sure that I line it up with the screenshot that I have here. Okay, all right, there we go. So there's our 451.61. So this was the setup from Discord. Okay, so Microsoft. Let's zoom. Okay, so just to summarize before we look at the chart, Microsoft was my first focus this week. So we took these calls, the July 26, 455 calls from 894 to 1095. It was 22%, guys. And that 22% happened within an hour, okay, which was miraculous. But let's zoom out here on Microsoft. Okay, let me ask you a question. Is that an uptrend or a downtrend? 1 for uptrend, 2 for downtrend. What do you guys think? Uptrend or downtrend? Is that bullish or bearish? Just look at the chart for a second. What do you guys think? Okay, so I see bullish. Okay, I see bearish. Look at this, guys. What is it? Is this bullish or not? And the way you can tell is you can see higher highs, higher lows. So whenever we get that, I'm looking to buy the dip. Where? On the 61.8% level. All right. So we had a special advanced Fibonacci pattern setup. Okay, this is called the Trading Wars Dragon. It's also a cipher. It's an advanced cipher. Okay, so we had this low. We made a high. We pulled back. Then we made a new high. And the completion is at 451.61. Okay, so you can see right here, this creates the dragon, right? Because you have wing number one, wing number two, and then I like to just visualize it like this because it's easy to see. Okay, hit me with a 3 if you're following me there. So here's our dragon. Something that I want to show you that's really, really important is if I take the Fibonacci from the first little leg from low to high, look at that 618 retracement right there. So this right here, this gave me confidence to use this 618. Hit me with the 7 if you see that. So I'm looking at Microsoft last week and I'm saying the 618 is holding on every Microsoft pullback. Okay? Because it looks like institutions are playing this. When, you know, obviously they are. It's Microsoft. So from here, we're waiting on the 618. Okay? And then finally we get that on Thursday. And I just want to show you this right now. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Look at this. This right here was 22%. Okay, in an hour. Look at this low. 451.55. We got in at 451.61. 6 cents from the low. Hit me with the 14 if that's amazing. And that, my friends, is why I love Fibonacci. I love it. Absolutely love it. Because when you get a good fib, when you're in it, you're not the only one. You're riding the boat with the institutions, the algorithms, and it feels so good because there's minimal heat on the trade. Like, look at this. You don't go negative. You can't go negative as soon as you get in. It's ripping. All right, so let me just fast forward now, okay? So you can see for the rest of the week here, we pushed up a little bit. We're holding the level. Not only am I buying options, but I'm also buying shares, okay? So I'm doing both with Microsoft because Microsoft is something I want to hold for the long run. All right, hit me with the 14 if that all makes sense. Okay, but I'm just saying, I just want to show you guys, like, a lot of you guys want to scalp options. That's what you guys want to do. So how do you do it? Well, your levels have to be good. Use the fibs, okay? So I'm still holding this, and I'm also bought some shares like I told you guys. Okay. Let's continue now. Oops, press the wrong button. Let's continue. Tesla. So let's just go through my watch list real quick. All right. Amazon. So I had this drawn up on Amazon last week, the 618, 190, 197. I'm waiting for that. NQ is pretty much doing the same thing as ES, but NQ has been a lot weaker. Matter of fact, if we draw this fib, so let me keep this fib on. If we draw the next fib in the sequence here from high to low, oh my God, hold on a second. Wait, is that right? I didn't even look at this till now. Let's draw this exact. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Hit me with a 3 if you know where I'm going with this. Okay, hold on. Let's draw this. Okay, I didn't even draw this till now. So the high on NQ is 2090, 2983.50. Okay, so let me just put that one right there. And the low is 2332.25. And guys, I mean, I'm just seeing this now. That's why we have a community, because I can't see everything. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this 618 rejection here. Do you see that on NQ? Look at this. It touches NQ one time, zero heat again. Look at this. And boom. Hit me with the 4 if you see that. That, my friends, is amazing. The 618 short on NQ was 27.3475. We went to 27.41. Wow. That is crazy. That is the power of the Fibonacci, my friends. Let's continue. Tesla. So I still have my target on Tesla is still 295.81, like this area. Still expecting it to retrace back up to here. Apple, waiting for a pullback. NVIDIA, I am also waiting for a pullback on NVIDIA, but I did post this one for tomorrow. NVIDIA, a call, 132 calls over 131.45, 127 put below 127.69. Okay, NVIDIA, holy grail. Here was the last holy grail, and here was the last inside bar. Both of them led to massive breakouts. I don't know if it's going to go up or down, but I think tomorrow is going to be very volatile. So I'll be ready to play both sides. Let's look at Meta. Gap down. Okay. I was actually going to buy Meta on the 618, but it gapped down. So thankfully, I was not in that trade because the Meta is showing a lot of weakness. Google, still waiting on that 618 pullback. I have Interactive Brokers here too. Nice little inside bar. AMD, okay. Inside bar. Netflix, okay. We have some bigger pictures, 618 fibs on Netflix. Let's take this one from here to here. So you can see we pulled back a little bit deep. And then the new thing that I'm following is SMCI. And if I look right here on this weekly chart, guys, my line in the sand is 96833. I think if we can get above that right here, if we can get above that white line, we can start to really push into new all-time highs. All right. Hit me with the 17 if that all made sense. All right. And all of these are called out in the Discord. And I want to shout out to Derry. He fixed the live stream. So right here, guys, you see it says live stream Thursday and Friday. So every Thursday and Friday we live stream, and sometimes we do it more. But you could see like all week, last week, I didn't take a trade until Thursday because that's, usually volatility is Thursday, Fridays. So we have up to 150 people can watch me trade live and watch me and Derry do live callouts and live analysis. So thank you, Derry, for fixing that. Stream newsletter. A lot of you guys have been asking me for this. Okay. You guys want a newsletter. You want to know, okay, what are the key levels? What's support? What's resistance? What's the context? What's the chart? All of that. A lot of you guys want this. So here it is. Okay. Beautifully written, very simple, straight to the point. Go to the stream newsletter section to download a copy, and you'll also see the video recordings. Okay. Hit me with the 4 if you're following me there. Stream recording right here. Okay. So you can click right there. It'll take you to the stream recording. I really think we've made a big difference with the way that I add value to everyone in this world and to society and to Discord. Every weekend, I'm doing free lectures on the spaces, teaching everyone the basics of risk to reward. We're sharing our screen live. We're doing newsletters. We're taking trades with our own money and trying to teach people something that's taken me a decade to learn in my life. Okay. So thank you so much for your support. And I want to do a lifetime Discord giveaway right now to show you some love. Hit me with an 11 if you're excited. Okay. So listen, anyone right now watching this video, if you want to join the Discord, I'm going to extend the $100 lifetime deal. Okay. Let me explain it. So we have two primary rooms in the Discord. We have basically S&P 500 futures options with the S&P 500. So we have SPY, and then we have all the other stocks. I separated them because not everybody wants to trade futures. Not everybody wants to trade stocks. Some people are just futures driven. So this is what I'm going to do. If you want to get lifetime access to the either room, just email me right now, rich@tradingwars.com. It's $100 for life. You get to see my screen for life. And you get my book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, which has my broker statements and my screen recordings. If for whatever reason you're having trouble with the email or the link is getting blocked, just purchase on my website. Just go right here, and you can, if you want to use debit or credit card or whatever, you can use the website, tradingwars.com. Purchase the book here. It says 1 month free, but it will be lifetime. Okay? Just go ahead and use the website. Hit me with a 10 if that all makes sense. And then the other thing I want to say is, if you didn't win, if you don't win today, you're going to have another chance next week. But all I ask is, please, my friends, help me with a like and a subscribe, and please comment Fib King when I end this video. It's very important for me. Sundays are my best video days, my best streaming days. I get a lot of support from all of you guys, and I really love you guys for that. And I appreciate you guys. We've been doing it for 2 years now. Okay, so thank you. Might be 3 years. Thank you very much for that. All right, let's get into the giveaway now. All right, here we go. Okay. So let's pick one with a lot of comments. Right, this one has a lot of comments. I'm going to go link it in here right now. You're going to drop a comment. Make sure you click on both of the guides, okay? Click on both of the guides and then leave your comment. Hit me with a 3 when you're done. I'm going to hit the refresh button. And the sixth comment is going to be the giveaway winner. Limit 1 comment per person or you'll be disqualified. Okay? Just so keep it fair. Just only comment 1 time. All right? And it just hit me when you guys are done. So for my market outlook, while you guys are doing that, I'm still in this 618 trade right here. I'm up close to about $1,000. It did go back down a little bit on me. I'm up close to about 1,000. So as long as this level, this is the line in the sand right here. Okay. This was, I think, the PPI low, 5621.25. As long as this level can hold, this is line in the sand. Everything is just buy the dip, 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 new all-time highs. All right. If we look at the weekly chart, we have, so let's just remove all these drawings. The last week was a bullish candle, but it had a topping wick. So that's a neutral candle. Okay. So that's why we have to play by the line in the sand. All right. Are you guys ready? Hit me with the 3. Send me a drum roll. Send me some fire. Are you ready for the giveaway? Come on. Who's ready? Ready? I'm going to hit the refresh right now. The 6th comment from the top. Boom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mr. Wasabi Wolf. Okay. Wasabi Wolf. You are the winner. All right. So Mr. Wasabi Wolf, if you are the, if you're here in the stream, just hit me with a 5 so I can put you up. All right. So I don't think Mr. Wasabi Wolf is in here, but he is the winner, guys. Send Mr. Wasabi Wolf some love. Hit him with a 6. All right. And you guys are going to have another chance next week again to play and another chance to win the lifetime Discord. All right. Everybody has a chance. So we're going to try to do 100. All right, guys. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time. Like I said, email me rich@tradingwars.com if you want that $100 deal or purchase it through the website. And I'm looking forward to another week. And remember, quality over quantity. Focus on the dips. Focus on the pullbacks. Focus on becoming a deal hunter. And that's how you're going to stay profitable in this game. Think like an algo. All right. I appreciate you guys. Have a great night.